Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy A26. Okay, so let's begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure all of you will handle it. So to reboot the Samsung, first up we need to open up the power menu. And we do this by clicking the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So let's hold for around, I don't know, half second. And now we are in the power menu. And now all we need to do is to simply click on this green button, restart. Now tap again. Now as you can see, the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and then ready to use. Also, it's good for you to perform the reboot from time to time, because you will delete some of the background processes, and it's a good option to do, for example, when your phone is lagging. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.